Former MLA Himalaya Muktan Shangpliang, who quit the BJP on Wednesday, today informed that he will join the National People's Party on September 13th. Informing reporters the reasons for leaving BJP, Shangpliang said that he had met the state president Ernest Mauri and made some suggestions to strengthen the party and give it a facelift in the state. However, till September 6, no action has been taken on the part of the state president. He felt there was no meaning for him to be in the party if there was no assignment.
There were 3 attempts from my side to remind the president of the BJP in the state, Mr. Mauri, to do something, to start working, to provide those kind of opportunities for many upcoming leaders and young leaders of the state to work for the party. But sad to say, till yesterday, the day that I left the party, no action has been taken by Mr. Mauri.
Hours after